Hello everyone and welcome back. What we have today is a beautiful 2015 Porsche Carrera. Let's go check it out. All right, isn't it? Let's see what our technicians have to say about it.
Customer brought it to us to have the service done and also to replace the exhaust system on the vehicle. He wanted to have a higher performance and also wanted to have a little more sound to the vehicle. So, and also the service end, we're replacing the AC filter, cabin filter, and the dry belt that was due to be replaced. And one of the fun facts on this vehicle is, in Porsche, is one of the only car makes that makes you take out the entire bumper in order to replace a filter for the engine. And it's also known on the Panameras as well, so you have to replace remove the front bumper in order to replace the air filter for the engine.
A moment of silence for that beautiful exhaust. As always, thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next video.